What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over an issue with the McLaren that has bugged me since the day I bought it, the dash separation. So this is relatively easy to fix. It requires two things. It's not hard, anybody can do it. So if your car or your truck or anything, you're having some dash separation, just go out, get a pool noodle, and get some amazing goop. I've been wanting to get that fixed since the day it arrived, but there were a couple things that were a little bit more important on it that I wanted to get fixed first. So now that all of that is done, it's time to finally get this fixed. Let me actually clear that up a little bit. If you're having dash separation against the windshield, like I am, this trick will work for you. If it's somewhere else, like up front on the dash or something, you'll have to go a different route. But this is a quick, easy way to get this to sit back where it needs to. Before we jump into this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and turn on bell notifications so you can catch all future videos, and let's jump right into this. So I've had the car sitting outside in the heat for about 2 hours. Purpose is I want to get this dash nice and hot, so it's a little bit more flexible and flimsy, so I can get it to lay where it needs to. It is about 102 degrees outside right now. I am not wanting to work out here in this heat, so I am gonna pull the McLaren into the garage and we're gonna do the rest of the video in there. Okay, so we got the car set up here in the garage. It's a little bit cooler in here. I still have the garage somewhat open, just so I get a little breeze, but we're gonna jump straight into it. First thing you need to do is grab your amazing goop. I've done a lot of research on this and everybody has really good reviews. Nobody's really having an issue. I have not used this stuff yet, so this will be new to me, and I'll let you guys know kind of how everything works with it in the future. But you can see a little bit better in here where it's separating. We want to get this goop right on that wood trim where it bonds everything together so that dashboard sits pretty flush. It's more of a two-person job. It's gonna be kind of hard for me to see from inside the car where I'm gonna be at, but let's see if I can set this up somewhere so you can see what I'm doing. All right. Okay, so this stuff is clear. So if you make a mistake, it's not gonna be horrible, the end of the world. Being the car that I'm putting it on, I don't really want to make that mistake. So I have a rag here just in case I mess anything up. It's really hard for me to see where I'm gonna be at, but let's give it a go. So what I'm gonna actually do is I am gonna put some paper towels down. Just so I don't get any of this on the top of my dash. Line that up and see if that's where I need it to be. It's exactly where I need it to be. I just need to run along that line now. That is on there. That's on there quite well. Let me get the other side now. we got that all where it needs to go. So next thing, we grab the pool noodle, which I have trimmed it up to fit exactly in my windshield. And we'll just shove that in there. We'll let it kind of sit down right where it needs to. I'll go ahead and jam that on in. To the passenger side a little bit better. And you let it sit for 24 hours. All right, so this is what the outside looks like. It's sitting it all down. The pool noodle is rested between the windshield and the dash, which is holding it down nice and firm. This stuff takes about 24 hours before it dries. So I gotta leave this on here. We'll come back tomorrow and I'll get an update and we'll finish the video out there. But it should work. All right guys, so I let this sit for 24 hours. Pool noodle's still there. I believe that we are good to go. This amazing goop stuff says 24 hours to cure and then it gets stronger after that. So let's pull the pool noodle out and just double check. This was sitting up super high, so you can clearly tell. Get this out of the way. And everything's sitting down pretty good. Amazing goop and a pool noodle is all you need to fix dash separation by a window.